Hi everyone! Today we're making something super easy and really cute. It only takes a few minutes, and it's perfect for beginners. It has lots of uses, and you can make it with any hook size and yarn you like. To start, hold your yarn like this and make a slip knot. Create a loop. Hold it. I'm using a 2.5mm hook. Insert your hook into the loop. Grab the yarn and pull it through. That's your slip knot. Instead of a magic ring, we're going to begin by chaining. Chain 5. Yarn over. Pull through. That's 1. And again yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through. Keep going until you have 5 chains. Once you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, slip stitch into the first chain. Insert your hook into that first stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Make a slip stitch to close it. And this will form a small circle. This is the space we'll be working into. Then chain 2. 1, 2. Now we're doing a triple crochet. Wrap the yarn once and twice. Insert your hook into the circle, keep the tail behind your work. Pull up a loop. So you have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 3 left. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 left. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. That's your first triple crochet. Make 2 more triple crochet the exact same way. Wrap your yarn twice. Insert your hook into the circle, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Wrap your yarn twice. Insert your hook into the circle, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Now you have 3 triple crochets. Next we do double crochets. For those, wrap the yarn once, go into the circle, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Make 2 more double crochets after that. Wrap the yarn once, go into the circle, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Make 1 more double crochet after that. Now chain 1. And we're going to make 1 more triple crochet just like before. After that, chain 1 again. And make 3 double crochets into the circle. One, 2, and 3 double crochets. Then make 3 more triple crochets. 1, 2, 3 triple crochets. When that's done, chain 2. And slip stitch into the circle to finish the shape. Cut your yarn and pull it through. Tighten the tail. Flip it to the back and use your yarn needle to weave in the ends. You now have a little heart you can use for garlands, keychains, or any decoration you like. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me create more crochet videos.